Hi there, we just recently reviewed new catalogue from MiniArt for 2026. And why not, I decided to get one fresh kit from over there. I have one of the MiniArt tractors, Lance Bulldog. We received very good model from that kit, so I decided why not, let it be one more tractor. Land Utility Tractor Fordson Standard N, modification 1939, and I bought it mostly for its box art. So this is tractor produced by Ford company. Several similar variations available with road wheels like this one, with metallic wheels in different colors, and the most weird modification is upcoming with 3 metallic wheels. So I want to build this yellow, or it's called orange, tractor. Up to 4 painting options available, and what in the box? Well, box itself not big, and package with the grey details includes not so many details to assemble. Except grey details, we have here colorized glossy instruction. And if you don't mind, I open this package. Let's try to do this without any tools. Finally, we opened it. And we have here medium and small sized frames with details, totally 7 sprues, all details on the table, and as usual decals set and metallic parts. Okay, let's observe this stuff. Wheels, we have rubber wheels, 4 of them, while other variation of this tractor could be mounted with the metallic filled wheels. So 4 wheels, and each one includes 3 parts that we will glue as a sandwich. Markings here, good wheels. Next frame, the bigger one, we can find here upper hood parts, radiator parts, details with logos, Fordson and other details. Well, this kit is not big, but there are many small and fragile details. And some of them might be difficult during installation process. But I love how looks these details. That previous Lance Bulldog wasn't too easy in work, but interesting, so expected the same from this tractor. Small frame with fenders and drive compartment details. They are greatly detailed from both sides. Good markings. We able to read here Ford Motor Company Limited, England. This tractor produced in several countries. And the rest of the frames with the medium or mostly small details. Some of them should be additionally cleared from extra plastic. Different outer and engine parts. Well, what can I say? Good quality and high level of details, but we will check how it would be in work. Except plastic stuff, we have decal set with markings for English and Italy variations of this tractor. And a small set of metallic parts with license plates, logos and radiator protection plate. Okay, that's all for details, but it will be more interesting information here. It seems, according to instruction, we have new type of details. Except in box, we have here scratch built parts. Well, that's interesting to craft something, to upgrade your models, but maybe all details should be included in the boxes. I mean, pieces of metallic wires. If it's difficult to produce them from plastic. Or not, what do you think about it? Anyway, we have here 4 painting options, Italy, yellow with red wheels, and all other variations for England. Yellow single tone, as on the box, similar options but with other plates and green hood, and totally green tractor with red wheels. Main difference that title single tone yellow version has only 1 pipe. And let's shortly overview building steps in instruction and provide short summary on this kit. From one side we have small cutie tractor in 1:35 scale, with not so many details to assemble, but from the other side, as usual, we have in our hands MiniArt's kit, so highly detailed kit with numerous small parts which may cause some different difficulties during assembling or painting works, but the result worth it. Several details should be crafted, but instruction gives us detailed info about that. Also, except that scratch-built parts, there is some additional adds described in instruction, like pipes and wiring, for example for engine and so on, which usually absent in instructions for other kits. So I'm happy on this kit, and later we will find out what the result expected for us from this box. I think it would be cool. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and bye!